set up a new site. I found that the Blogger from feedback was crummy as a website. And really, the important part of this whole site is that you have a digital portfolio, and Blogger didn't really allow you to make a appealing visual format. So as a visual person and in a visual arts class, I think it's important you have a nice format. Now you can choose to start a new site with a existing template if you want. Go into template gallery. Any of these will work. If you want, you're going to end up sort of changing everything on it anyway. So you can also just do a blank. I'm going to do a blank to start, but feel free to choose a different one. So it's building our site. And basically what we did before, I want you to do that again. I want you to personalize this in some way. And some of you did a really awesome job on that on Blogger, so I appreciate that. I don't need you to spend a bunch of time on it, but we at least want to see what your page title is. So TV's photo page, maybe, I don't know. In the background, we can do change image. I'm going to put an image that I already have of my own, so I do not have to credit it. So let's go to photos. I'm just going to randomly choose one right now, but you, of course, can spend some time choosing a picture you really like. Oh, I actually took this really cool picture yesterday. We're going to use that. Adjusting for readability. You can add a logo up here if you want. The thing that I really like about this more is that it's giving us already some layouts that we can try. So for example, if you're putting up just pictures, you can pull that in. You can actually edit this and change the sizes of them. But this gives us a little bit more, layout choices. And so you can also change this. And the thing about blogs is that the newest thing will show up at the top. So I would just ask that when you do a new post, that you put either put the section up above. You could even make a new page if you wanted. So you could have a page for each week, and that would totally be fine. Another thing that's sort of exciting that I saw is that you can put in like slideshows. So those of you that are a Scott, you probably started making your line slideshow, and that's going to be a really easy way for you to insert. So I can put my slideshow right here. And now I can look at my photos. Woohoo. Auto start. And you can do whatever settings work for you. But it feels like this is going to integrate better with our projects and all of our Google stuff. So hopefully this works better for us, and we will just be flexible and play it by ear. Now I'm going to publish this web address, so that's going to be the same STB. Great, and that's so my site will be this. So I can copy that, publish. And if I want to view it, I can go here. Oh, there it is. So beautiful. So here is where you will find, if you go to view, if you go to view published site, then that link is what you will put in the exit ticket today. So just FYI, I don't need it to be all perfectly put together by the time you send me the link. I just, please make sure that you send me the link so I can start looking at those. And this is what we will be using. So again, we're on Google Sites, and I want you to personalize it a little bit, and make sure to copy the link. Please let me know if you have questions.